Ever wondered how your daily devices are interconnected? Welcome to the world of IoT, or the Internet of Things, a world where devices, vehicles, and home appliances aren't just standalone units, but part of a vast interconnected network. Each of these things is embedded with electronics, software, and connectivity, enabling them to connect, interact, and exchange data. Imagine your alarm clock not just waking you up, but also communicating with your coffee maker to start brewing your morning cup, or your air conditioner adjusting the room temperature based on your preferences and the weather forecast. This is IoT, seamlessly integrating the physical and digital worlds, making our devices smarter and our lives easier. From our homes to our workplaces, our cities to our farms, IoT is revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. So, in a nutshell, IoT is about making our devices smarter and our lives easier. Now that you know what IoT is, let's dive into how it's being applied across various fields. Starting with our homes, IoT is the wizard behind the curtain of home automation. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, even your coffee maker from your smartphone. It sounds like magic, but it's simply IoT at work, making our homes smarter and our lives more convenient. Next, let's talk about wearables. These are not just stylish accessories, but powerful devices that monitor our health and fitness, giving us real-time insights into our well-being, all thanks to the tiny IoT sensors they carry. Moving on to a larger scale, IoT is making our cities smarter too. Traffic management, waste disposal, energy usage. IoT is enhancing urban living by making it more efficient and sustainable. In the healthcare sector, IoT is a game changer. With remote monitoring and patient-centered care, it's transforming the way we approach health and wellness. In the world of agriculture, IoT is helping farmers monitor crop conditions, optimize water usage, and even predict yield. It's literally changing the landscape of farming. IoT is also paving the way for smarter transportation. From tracking delivery trucks to monitoring traffic flow, it's streamlining logistics and making our commutes smoother. But it doesn't stop there. IoT is revolutionizing industries across the board by automating operations and boosting productivity. It's improving customer service, managing inventories, and even helping make data-driven decisions. The applications of IoT are indeed vast and varied. Whether it's tailoring services to enhance our experiences or making our cities more sustainable, IoT is not just a technological evolution, it's a lifestyle revolution. From your living room to the vast expanse of a city, IoT is transforming the way we live and work. It's a connected world out there, powered by the Internet of Things. Are you ready to join? So, we've explored the world of IoT and its applications, but what are the key takeaways here? The Internet of Things is not just a concept, it's a reality that's revolutionizing our everyday life. From controlling your home's lights and temperature with your phone, to tracking health and fitness on your wrist, IoT is making our devices smarter. But it's not just about convenience, it's about efficiency and sustainability too. IoT is enhancing urban living, making cities smarter by optimizing traffic and waste management. It's transforming industries like healthcare and supply chain, making operations more streamlined and patient care more proactive and centered. This personalization is the key, as tailored services enhance our experiences. With applications as vast as agriculture and energy, the potential of IoT is limitless. IoT is indeed a game changer, making our devices smarter and our lives easier. The future of IoT is limitless, and it's fascinating to imagine what's next in this interconnected world.